Hello Year 1, this is Chapter 10, Lesson 5, Finding How Much More. Okay, we're looking first of all at In Focus and let's see what this picture shows. So we've got Ruby here, hello Ruby, and we've got Holly here and they've both baked some cookies. Yum, nice. And we're asking the question, who baked more cookies? How many more? So let's first of all look who baked more cookies. Let's have a look. So Ruby's got one tray, 2 trays and a small plate, and Holly has got 1 tray, 2 tray and a small plate, but looks like there's more cookies there. So if we're looking at to see who baked more cookies, how many cookies do we think's on this tray? Can you remember? What does it look like? Can you remember? That's right, our 10 frame. There are, well done, there's 10 cookies on this tray and 10 on this one. So we've got 10 and 10 makes 20 and 2 more, 22. So Ruby has baked 22. Holly has baked a tray here. Do you think that's 10? That's right, a 10 and a 10. And a plate here that's a little bit bigger. So we've got 10, 20 and some more on the plate. Should we count the plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 20 plus 8 is 28. So who's baked more cookies? It's Holly. Holly's baked 28. Ruby has baked 22. If we look down here on the Let's Learn, we've put the cookies together in our groups of 10, but we can match and see which is the same. Do you remember we did this before? When we're counting, we've got the same. That tray is the same as that, so those 2 trays are the same. Here again, these 2 trays, same. Those 2 trays are the same. And we look at these extra cookies, the 2 extra that Ruby baked and the 8 extra that Holly baked. And we've got same, but then this is different. And when we're finding out how much more, we're looking at what's different. So what is different between these cookies? Same to same. That is what's different. How many are different? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say Holly baked 6 more cookies than Ruby. There they are on that plate. Holly, there she is, baked 6 more cookies than Ruby. There's our 22 that Ruby's made. There's the 28 that Holly's baked. We can say 28 is more than 22. We can say 28 is how many more? Well, it was 6 more. If we look at this part-hole diagram, there's the 28 that Holly baked. There's the 22 that Ruby baked, and there were 6 more. So if we say 22 plus 6 makes 28. Let's look at the next page. So we're looking at what is more and what is less. This is part of our 100 square. Here's a whole 100 square. That's 100 numbers, but we're just looking at the top part. And here we've got our base 10 materials. Do you remember? 2 lots of 10. Sorry, no, they're cubes, but it's like that. The 2 towers of 10 and 2 left over. 10, 22. There's our 22 here. There's our 22 in our place value cards. A 10, 2 10s, 2 1s, 22. And we're asking the question, what is 1 more than 22. So we're looking for 22, not on in this part of our number 100 square. We find 22 and we want to find one more, and we've got to go that way, because as we look that way, the numbers get larger. One more than 22, we go one more is 23. What's one less than 22? Well, to go for less, we go this way, we go back, because these numbers are going down, they're getting less. One less than 22 is 21. Here's Ravi, and he's on a number line, and he's found 22, and he's jumped one more to 23, and then he can jump back one less, 22. So we can say 23 is one more than 22, and we can say 21 is one less than 22. And Ravi asks us a question here, and he says, what is 6 more than 22? Let's have a look. There's 22. We want to go 6 more. Are we going to go that way or that way? Yes, we're going this way because the numbers are getting more. The numbers are getting larger. The numbers are increasing. So 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which brings us back to here. 22 and 6 is 28. This brings us back to this picture. There are 6 more in 28. And this bit here shows the difference. They're the same, but that is the difference. So the guided practice asks us, what is 1 more than 32? There's 32, or let's look at 32 here. We're going to go 1 more than 32, and we're going to go 1 more, and it's 33. Well done. Put that in the box. We want to know what 1 less than 32 is. We've got to go back this way. 1 less than 32 is 31. Then we're looking here. Something is 1 more than 30. There's 30. What's 1 more than that? Now, I can't go any further that way. I could do it here. What's 1 more than 30? It's 31. If I look here, I can't go any more, but I've got to go down to the next line because this goes from across and down like that. So 1 more, something is 1 more than 30. It's 31. Here, 1 more is 31. So 31 is 1 more than 30. It's doing that sum question, but turning it around. And what is 1 less than 30? Something is 1 less than 30. There's 30. What's 1 less? Do you remember we go that way? 1 less than 30 is 29. If we look at it on the 100 square, part of the 100 square, what is 1 less than 30? There's 30. Go back 1. 29. And the last one says, what is 4 less than 31? So there's 31. Let's look at the number line. Let's do 4 less. We're going that way because we're going less. 4 less than 31. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 less than 31 is 27. And what is 4 more than 31? There's 31. 1, 2, 3. I've run out. What do you think it would be? What would be the next number? Let's check on here. 4 more than 31. There's 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 35. Did you get that right? Well done. Now you need to do worksheet 5, pages 15 to 16. Have fun.